China's military has undergone a dramatic transformation over the past few decades. It now boasts some of the most advanced missiles in the world, cutting-edge warships, and a rapidly growing air force that is becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable. This significant military buildup is part of a long-held ambition by Beijing to reunify Taiwan with the mainland, a goal that has been a cornerstone of Chinese policy for decades. Beijing views Taiwan as a breakaway province, a lingering legacy of the Chinese Civil War that ended in 1949. The island has since developed its own identity and government, but China has never relinquished its claim. While the Chinese government has expressed a preference for peaceful unification, it has not ruled out the use of force to achieve its objectives. This stance has been reiterated by Chinese leaders on numerous occasions. This ambition and the military preparations that accompany it have put the entire region on edge, raising serious concerns about the potential for conflict. The international community watches closely, aware that any escalation could have far-reaching consequences. The United States has watched China's military rise with growing concern over the past few decades. The rapid modernization and expansion of China's military capabilities have not gone unnoticed by US defense officials and policymakers. US officials have repeatedly warned against any unilateral action by China against Taiwan. These warnings are often reiterated in international forums and bilateral meetings, emphasizing the potential consequences of such actions. The US maintains a policy of strategic ambiguity, leaving China guessing about its response to an invasion. This strategy is designed to deter aggression by creating uncertainty about the US response, thereby maintaining a delicate balance in the region. However, recent statements and arms sales to Taiwan suggest a firmer stance. The US has increased its military support to Taiwan, including advanced weaponry and defense systems, signaling a stronger commitment to Taiwan's defense. The US sees Taiwan's security as crucial for regional stability and its own strategic interests in the Pacific. Ensuring Taiwan's security is not just about protecting a democratic ally, but also about maintaining the balance of power in a region that is vital to global trade and security. China has increased military activities near Taiwan, raising tensions. Chinese warships and aircraft frequently cross the median line of the Taiwan Strait. These actions are designed to intimidate Taiwan and probe its defenses. In addition, China conducts large-scale military exercises simulating attacks on Taiwan. These exercises showcase China's growing capabilities and send a clear message: unification remains a core objective. Section 4: Internal headwinds, challenges within China's dragon. Despite its growing military power, China faces domestic challenges. Its economy, once a powerhouse, has slowed. Social unrest, fueled by inequality and corruption, simmers beneath the surface. The military, while modernizing rapidly, still faces readiness issues. These internal factors constrain China's ability to sustain a large-scale conflict. Economic stability and social harmony are paramount for the Chinese Communist Party's grip on power. Section 5: The Taiwan Strait in 2025. Why invasion is unlikely. The Taiwan Strait has long been a flashpoint in East Asia, with tensions simmering between China and Taiwan. However, an invasion in 2025 remains improbable. While China desires unification, 2025 is unlikely to be the year for an invasion. The Chinese government has consistently expressed its goal of bringing Taiwan under its control, but the timing and method are crucial considerations. The economic and social costs are too high. An invasion would disrupt China's booming economy, leading to a potential stock market crash and widespread economic instability. The bustling streets and factories that symbolize China's growth would face severe setbacks. China prioritizes internal stability above all else. The Chinese government is acutely aware that any major conflict could lead to internal unrest. Maintaining social harmony and economic growth is paramount for the leadership in Beijing. Additionally, US support for Taiwan remains a significant deterrent. The United States has a long-standing commitment to Taiwan's defense, and its military presence in the Pacific acts as a formidable counterbalance to Chinese ambitions. Beijing knows an invasion would trigger a devastating conflict with global consequences. The international community, including the United Nations, would likely condemn such an action, leading to severe diplomatic and economic repercussions for China. China is more likely to continue its current strategy pressure and intimidation through military exercises and naval maneuvers near Taiwan. These actions serve to remind Taiwan of China's capabilities without crossing the threshold into open conflict, hoping to achieve unification through non-military means. Diplomatic negotiations, economic incentives, and other non-military strategies are likely to be the tools China employs in its quest for unification, aiming to win hearts and minds rather than waging war.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.